Hi everyone, so this is Jocelyn here. I am currently an associate at BNP Paribas. Through GreyAtom, I came to know there's something known as commit.live, and through doing a lot of exercises, lot of Python work, lot of machine learning work, it really helped me, it really guided me through all the difficult times, because what difficult times are something which really makes you or breaks you. And in that case, actually GreyAtom was actually pushing me to make something out of myself. I wanted something which was more practical, which was more where you get your hands dirty, because if you really need theory, if you really need content-based stuff, you get a lot online for free. But whereas you need someone to actually guide you through the process, guide you through the different problems and help you get a solution, not give you a solution but get a solution. I think GreyAtom had actually all those things, because the main focus, I think the tagline itself says that learning is to do work. The thing about classroom sessions would be that there used to be an age gap between the students and the teachers. So it was very difficult to actually interact with teachers. But in GreyAtom, if you say that there were just people like me or like-minded people, instructors especially, so it was very easy to interact. Like people like Rohit Ghosh was one of my favorite instructor, because the thing is, he had a different view, or her way he explains was something which a friend would explain you during like a day before an exam, and you actually understood everything during that day. We had a mock interview, so that actually it was like a real feeling of giving an interview. It actually helped you get on your nerves with that confidence, and the feedback after that actually telling you, okay, where do you actually lack in, and go home and actually reflect on yourself. Data science is not something which is just like a theory knowledge, that is which I would be focusing a lot. It's more about practical knowledge. So if you actually want to learn data science, I would say that you need to be more focused on practical than theory. If you really want to go and learn something new, you have to dedicate at least some time during the day, which would help. So I would say dedication and passion. That's two. If you have both of that, then just join and don't worry about anything else. Learn equal to do real work.